Welcome students. Today's lesson is about computers. Subject English, lesson number 23, computers. Now children, Charles Babbage invented the first mechanical computer. Let's read and understand the lesson. Let's start. You have learned the mathematical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You can do sums which involve any one or more of these operations. Children, now tell me, what is computer? Computer is electronic machine which can find, store information. It also does calculations for us. Mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division that you learn in math subject in your school can also be done by computer. You can calculate the answers quickly if you use tables, but sometimes complicated calculations that involve very large numbers. Children, when we use tables, we can calculate the answers very quickly, but sometimes it becomes very complicated or difficult when there are big numbers or large numbers. Then you waste a lot of time checking and rechecking your answers. How can we avoid these errors and wastage of time? What happens when your answers become wrong? We will go checking of answers, and what happens? You lose a lot of time. Now let's see how to avoid these errors while calculating. A computer is a machine that is an answer to all these problems. What is the solution to problem? The computer is a machine which does a number of problems, store information. Now this is the solution for all problems. Computer can solve problems, can carry out the most difficult calculation with amazing speed and accuracy. Students, when we calculate, we take a lot of time, but the computer, that is electronic machine, does this all calculation in a very easy and amazing speed with accuracy. Computers can do several other things besides carrying out calculations. We know that the computer do all mathematical operations, but also they can do much more. In fact, there are a few things that a modern computer is not able to do. That means the modern computer do many other operations. Computer have memory. We all have memory. Therefore, we remember all things. In the same way, it is said that computer also have memory. That is, they can store a lot of data or information. They can keep words, pictures and sounds in their memory and give you the information within a fraction of a second when you need it. As we know, computer has memory and they can store a lot of data and information. Computer can store words, pictures, sounds in their memory, and also they give it to you when you require. Computer give it to you in few seconds very quickly. In computer, you know that words are stored in word file and pictures are stored in gallery. Also computer can save music. Computers can process the data or the information according to the instruction given to them. A modern computer can follow thousands of instructions within a fraction of a second. In this way, children, modern computer is very quick and it follows instruction in short period of time. Also, computer can give you a lot of information in second, but you have to provide the instruction in language which computer can understand. You know, children, Java and C+ are computer languages. A set of code instructions written for computer is known as program. Writing a computer program is a specialized task. What is program? It is a set of code instructions written for computer in specific language, and this is called a program. Children, everyone can't write the program because it is a specialized task. Come to the next page, children. A computer on its own does not make judgments about the instruction given to it. It follows the instructions blindly. Why it is because it is machine. But it only follows the instructions because it can't think like us. The instruction must cover every step involved in an operation. If you miss a step, the computer will not correct it. Because why computer cannot correct our mistakes? Because he will only follow your instructions. You have to give information step by step. It's not like us. It's a machine, so it can correct your mistakes. Suppose students, your mother has asked you to buy vegetables. You have to divide this task into smaller ones. Now, you can see here, this is flow chart which is useful to buy vegetables. Now you have to subdivide your work, that is buying vegetables. First, going to the grocer's shop. After that, going to the grocer's shop, take a bag for the vegetables, take money for vegetables. After that, start from your house, walk down the street, turn right or left, walk down the street, cross the street and enter grocer's shop. So, this is the flow chart or detailed information for buying vegetables. Way children, computers are smarter than men. So, the next time you play a game on a computer or watch a video or obtain the information, think of the man who put in so many efforts to make it all possible. So, it's a very important lesson for you. Very important thought is given in that. That is, you have to obtain some information or think about the man who put in so many efforts to make it possible. Now let us see some new words from the lesson. Involve. What is meant by involve? Include someone or something in something. Accuracy. What is meant by accuracy? Correctness is called accuracy. Data. Data means information. Code. Code is a system of words, letters, numbers or symbols that record information in a shorter form. Specialized means having a special knowledge of a particular subject. Now children, I hope you understood today's lesson. Thank you.